Hi viewers, you are watching Pista Shell Crafts today. You are watching different style and different designs of pista shell decorating ideas. You are watching the uh, flowers, different colors flowers of made by the pista shell. You are watching two heart shape decoration piece wall hanging. You are watching another wall hanging made by the pista shell. You are watching the four wood pieces made by pista shell craft. You are watching a glass decorating by the pista shell. You are watching the flowers, four set of frames flowers. You are watching the two flower pots decorating with the pista shell. You are watching a saw small. You are watching the bowl flower pot decorating with the pista shell. You are watching a peacock model made in the plate. You are watching the jute made pista shell. You are watching the jute and pista shell craft. You are watching three frames, different designs. You are watching a frame made with the pista shell ovals. You are watching another pista shell craft Christmas tree and oval. You are watching another bottle craft pista shell. You are watching a flower, different colorful flowers. You are watching a frame of the tree, pista shell birds made by the you are watching another frame, simple and easy pista shell craft. You are watching another frame, peacock made by the pista shells. You are watching a model of the doll, dancing doll made with the pista shell. You are watching another frames, flowers, different colors made with the pista shell. You are watching another doll dress made with the pista shells, colorful. You are watching another flower frames, red color flowers. You are watching fish frame, fishes made by the pista shells. You are watching the another flower frames made with the pista shell. You are watching another frame made with the pista shell flowers colored. You are watching a disposable plate decorating with the pista shell. You are watching the wall hangings made with the pista shells. You are watching another pista shell craft, green and purple colored. You are watching purple and pink flower made with the pista shell.